right. Odumase, nyame nhira mo se mo koso ahwe Emadek TV. Emadek TV de wunya Emadek TV no nya adepa. Eho na nigi ene bibia opebia no obenya. All kinds of entertainment when nigi hu bia no ye de ebebro. Say yes sports say eye dwumadi bi te se ebia ye kwa abonten kofa interviews ni nyina obenya bi. But na ade amede bro nkwa yesoronko a ebi intensi ewo Emadek TV. Eno mato din say time with Emadek. Eno ana me de bro. Me ka won say won so as me de dwumadi e de bro eye. SAMGEE fashion casual fashion clinic. SAMGEE casual fashion clinic. Ono so ewo Sunyani Odumase. Eho ena owo Sunyani Odumase eho ena owo. Ye de SAMGEE number e de good screen so in case wo pe no na wa mana dwudwawo ntade kama wo person de call engagement wedding all kinds of program bia no obenya bi ewo SAMGEE wo abedum sanso e ka we say eye SHS senior high school wo person wona watena fie 2 years 3 years ni wa try exams no wantumi am pass na wo pe baabi a wo be try exams no wa pass ye dia ene na me ka say GETWAY senior high school ewo Sunyani bakunya ba eho na se ukọ a me say exams no obetwere apase ama na aboro so school bia ni Ghana has after exams no o twere awe yi enye say e bia ye mo atena fie keke da bi oba ye wo teachers omunim ade na ombo mo homode omde obefam emo GETWAY senior high eguso eye admission na me ka wo say omo numbers in the good screen so no obetumi afre GETWAY senior high ofre wo mo a ne ope bia no ombe cheche omu school so de me ka no kra tro me say exams no betwere apase sisi a yeguso eye admission e wo GETWAY senior higher admission e course gidigidi say bibia opese your friend is unya every GETWAY senior high bia wetimi afre number we 054 927 4580 054 927 4580 ofre sa number ya GETWAY senior high empanyfo ebefa na omono edi enkomo nyame enhira me twam ho ketwa bi aginkrato me ba time with Emadek ye de sha ase esanso domase se mo kuso ehwe Emadek TV na ye twa ye ho mo atwen ye mesro me dan mu na mete na me de dwumadi e de bro nti mesro ohu bibia me background a ema wo ye mu enhyew enya ade a de commotion na se problem bia ebebro na mum time with Emadek ye dwumadi bia ebeboa emeya ti enema bia ase ene dwumadi so nkwan pesa me de bro no se wunya broken heart a ekwan be na obefa so akio broken heart no ananse ekwan be na obefa so tumi amma say broken heart we wenyen afiri so eno na mekan say bia like how are you able to or how will you be able to control yourself or to overcome broken heart this is the topic I'm dey bro now first thing I'm person ma what here say ni first number person ma what here say ni broni ebeka ne say don't be in rush to delete your partner's number. Don't be in rush to delete your ex or your partner's number. Say me person change na say me ma ohom pere wo say enipa na wo ma broken heart no be delete the number there bi. Say obi ma broken heart na wo ma ohom pere no delete the number. Trust me say no nkere say with the fact say we delete the number no e kere say bibia wo ye bia afiri ho ko anan say yawo a wodi bia na afiri ho ko there bi. Wo yes afekwa na obe ha ho mpombo. Trust me, it will get to a time I hope a person can be free nipa kronumpo. E bia wo ne na kasa pa na che wana say bisa so be free wo hwe number no kra wo especially say number no 1 fan 2 3 ma. Entina me kire wo say wunya broken heart e ma ho mpre say obe delete number no da bi. E nipa na wa ma broken heart so ye oba so ye be ma. Me ma ho mpre say obe delete number no. Keep the number, keep the contact on your phone. Wo de keep emrepam eso beba emfaso ama. The second thing so I was say wo de 2 3 mun say enipa na wa ma broken heart no ya ma broken heart awie. Secondly, men rush say obesan so akọ into another relationship. Don't be in a haste to enter into a new relationship. Say obi ma broken heart wi a enye wadwen say eno nti o san so akọ new relationship mu after say wanya broken heart no. Say wo yes trust me say enkowie peye. It's at that moment na ya wadwen na adeko o pese wo go into another relationship na o ma wo free enema bia nipa ne dia because because bia nipa no ofro anopa ewia nyimre anytime bia na mo kasa ne ade ene wontumi nya sa ade ni biem on fro enti oto ana wo dwendwen enti wadwen nyina ne say the best way the best way a bema one turn one do is to make sure so ubenya ubia bia your best friends or best friend for the biama we free or partner no ade. But trust me, at that moment, and yet the best time, and yet the best time at all. So when you're broken heart, rushing into another relationship, it is not the best option. Because I'm maybe beju ube say, and your dog and I would demand the pana when you're broken heart, I'll come, and maybe you say your dog. Name na akwe bi say bibi na ma wuram na sanka your dog pa anko eno so no wanhwe ni ya na wosan ba betwen we afisa relationship nim am no so dey a whole lot problem at about and you when you baba hon because you are not healed sa jaw ni pains na ba wakoma mu no because untumi mend all the broken pieces into still the bia no di sa yaw no and that is the second thing. Don't be in a haste or don't be in a rush to enter into another relationship after say when you're broken heart. The third thing me person me sanso kan ho asem ene say so obi ma broken heart you should say nipa krona na sanso fa ma ho nto you should say nipa krona e ma wakoma na nipa na bubu no you should no akrona sanso ma akoma no en sanso enkansi ani bi so use the same person who gave you broken heart, use the same person to heal yourself. And nipa no more broken heart no, you should say nipa na no, sounds so fast ho yare. E kwan ben so na obi you should say nipa da san ho yare. Obi ma broken heart wie ni ade a, ono ompe so obefro, ompe obiem, ofre no kwa na okasa. Wo yesia no okasa. Until no ofre na, men man pressure. Na emo no aka cheso wa ma broken heart, che ne say, mesro wa ma me broken heart awie, anase mesro, wo so wo de wontumi ne mentena biem. But me pa cho metumi afrefro e wo ma na ma fro kakra e bi wa na ma fro nti metumi afro obeka se ha wetumi afre me no problem so ka se ha no betumi afre na ani bi wa krampa wo de ofre na wo wa se hwani wa bodi e bia wo de number afre na onfre into the different number wa bodi e bia ye mi ma wo no hwan wo pede da bi nya botre ma no wo ne nkasa boko na kire ne so ma nya ha number me to won kan kire na me simpesem ye dem me fro kan sa kire no kakra at that time no friend na me misa no questions be to say oh na itimi na why me say itimi na wagya me ti e pa na me pa odo na da bi that is not the time this time no who you no to heal yourself a process and your friend na kakra oh me pa cho what to say me te on kan cha na me fro achi aw na wakate ko no e wuma na wasan so afre no me pa cho et say me te on kan cha aya from kakra no wakate ko no sin kakran beju baabi bo sa fe de one frɛ no 1 week kra na wo ye okay one frɛ no 2 weeks kra na wo ye okay 1 month kra na frɛ na wo ye okay a whole 2 months 3 months na wo frɛ no bo so no angaza wo wa no abɛfrɛ me te won kan che o na nsen de ase wo frɛ me kra no aso wo my busy ntina me frɛ oboa wo hele wo ho tɔ wo yi wo ho afiro ha na wo kɔ mu no why you see on one kasa mu asanso I get back to your own self enti yawo na wo kɔ mu ni ade ni na why you see on one kasa mu asanso ma ho tɔ enti this is the three things am de emma so obi ese wontumi no ntina bi mu a eno nkyere obi ti wontumi ntina bi no ma broken heart a men ma ho mpere so obediri ne number there be 2 men ma ho mpere so obekọ into another relationship mu bi nyabotre ma ho 3 yisu sa nipa na o ma broken heart na fasa ho yare ma ho ntɔ medam ase time with Emadek the first step am dey bro ni onyankopon onhyira say okoso a ehwe na meka am say Gateway senior high omo number and the good screen so na omo na aso ase medi dwumadi e dia bro nyame enhyira mo say mokoso na mo hwe Emadek TV bye.